Have you ever dreamed of making thousands of dollars a day without leaving your couch? What if we told you there's a way to do just that, using only your computer and a few simple tricks? Today, we are going to reveal the secret to earning $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made more money overnight than most people make in a week. That's the power of affiliate marketing when done right. And the best part, you don't need any special skills or a big investment to get started. In this video, we are going to show you the laziest ways to get rich with affiliate marketing. These are methods that anyone can use, even if you're completely new to making money online. So get ready, because your life might just change after watching this. What is affiliate marketing? Now, before we dive into the juicy details, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is like being a matchmaker between companies and customers. You find products or services that you like, and then you tell other people about them. If someone buys something because of your recommendation, you get paid. It's kind of like if you told your friend about a great new pizza place, and the pizza place gave you a few bucks every time your friend ordered from them. Except with affiliate marketing, you can do this on a much bigger scale, telling thousands or even millions of people about products you love. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create any products yourself. You don't have to handle any customer service or shipping. All you do is connect people with stuff they might want to buy, and you get a cut of the sale. It's that easy. Why affiliate marketing is so powerful? Now, you might be wondering why affiliate marketing is such a big deal. Well, let me tell you, it's one of the most powerful ways to make money online, and here's why. First off, you can start with zero money. You don't need to buy any inventory or rent an office. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Second, you can work from anywhere in the world. Want to make money while lounging on a beach in Bali? With affiliate marketing, you can. Third, there's no limit to how much you can earn. Unlike a regular job where you get paid the same amount no matter how hard you work, with affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. The more people you can reach and convince to buy products, the more money you'll make. And finally, it's passive income. This means that once you set things up, you can make money even while you're sleeping. How cool is that? The Lazy Person's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. We are about to share with you the laziest ways to get rich with affiliate marketing. These methods are so simple that even a fourth grader could do them. And the best part? They work. I've used these techniques myself to make thousands of dollars a day, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Remember, being lazy isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes it means you're smart enough to find the easiest way to get results. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. The Google Goldmine Method. Okay, are you ready for the first super lazy method? I call this one the Google Goldmine Method. It's so easy that you'll wonder why everyone isn't doing it. Here's how it works. First, you go to Google. That's right, just regular old google.com. Nothing fancy here. Next, you search for different kinds of businesses. It could be anything. Barbershops, gyms, coffee shops, whatever you want. Pick a type of business and a city. For example, you might search for barbershops in New York. Now, here's the trick. Don't look at the businesses on the first page of Google. Scroll down and go to the second, third, or even fourth page. These are the businesses that aren't getting as much attention because they're not on the first page. Find one of these businesses and look for their contact information. Usually, you can find an email address on their website. Now, you might be wondering, what does this have to do with affiliate marketing? Well, we are about to show you how this simple Google search can turn into a goldmine. The secret weapon, SEO tools. Here's where the magic happens. There's a tool called SEMrush that helps businesses rank higher on Google. When a business ranks higher, more people find them, and they get more customers. It's like moving from the back of the line to the front. What you're going to do is become an affiliate for SEMrush or a similar SEO tool. This means you'll get paid when someone signs up for the tool through your special link. Now, remember those businesses you found on the second page of Google. You're going to email them and tell them about this amazing tool that can help them get to the first page of Google. you'll explain how they're missing out on customers by being on the second page and how this tool can help them beat their competition. The power of numbers. Now, here's where the laziness pays off. You might be thinking, okay, but how does this make me $2,000 a day? Well, it's all about numbers. Let's say you send out 100 emails a day. That might sound like a lot, but remember, you're just copying and pasting. It's super easy and quick. Out of those 100 emails, maybe 10 people will click on your link. And out of those 10, maybe one will sign up for the SEO tool. Now, many of these tools pay around $200 per signup. So even with just one signup a day, you're making $200. But here's the thing. The more emails you send, the more signups you'll get. If you can get to 10 signups a day, which is possible if you're sending out enough emails, you're making $2,000 a day. And remember, once you've written your email template, this takes very little work on your part. Scaling up your lazy empire. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to scale this up and make even more money. Because why settle for $2,000 a day when you could make even more? First, you can expand to different types of businesses and different cities. Don't just stick to barbershops in New York. Try gyms in Los Angeles, coffee shops in Chicago, and pet stores in Miami. The more variety you have, the more potential customers you can reach. Second, you can promote different tools. SEMrush is great, but there are lots of other SEO tools out there. Some businesses might prefer one tool over another, so by promoting multiple tools, you increase your chances of making a sale. Third, you can hire someone to help you send emails. As your business grows, you might find that you want to send even more emails than you can handle on your own. Hiring a virtual assistant to help with this can be a great way to scale up without doing more work yourself. And finally, you can create a simple website or YouTube channel where you review different SEO tools. This way, when business owners are trying to decide which tool to use, they might find your review and click on your affiliate link. Staying legal and ethical. Now, before we wrap up, we want to talk about something important: staying legal and ethical. Even though we're being lazy, we still want to do things the right way. First, make sure you're always honest in your emails. Don't make promises you can't keep or claim that you're affiliated with companies you're not. Just be straightforward about what the tool can do and how it might help their business. Second, always disclose that you're an affiliate. This means letting people know that you'll make money if they sign up through your link. You can do this by simply adding a line at the end of your email saying something like, "Full disclosure, I may earn a commission if you sign up through my link." And finally, make sure you're following all the rules of the affiliate programs you're part of. Each program might have different guidelines, so it's important to read through them and make sure you're playing by the rules. By staying legal and ethical, you're not only doing the right thing, but you're also building a sustainable business that can keep making you money for years to come. So there you have it, the secret to making $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing using the laziest methods possible. Remember, the key to success with this method is taking action. It might seem too simple to work, but trust me, it does. The businesses you're emailing do need help, and you're providing value by introducing them to tools that can grow their business. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start your lazy affiliate marketing empire today. Who knows? In a few months, you might be the one making the video about how you're making thousands of dollars a day from your couch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another video on how to make money online the lazy way. Thanks for watching.